Okay, well, you know what it is. It's the Yaesu FT5D. Paperwork out of the way. Now, a lot of guys in the past were showing that they got an orange belt clip with their FT5D from M Radio Outlet, but I do not have one in the box. So apparently I'm only going to get the stock factory one. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so we have an operating manual. What they don't give you is other 6 manuals. I think there's one for group mode, for APRS, Wires X, and Yaesu provides a link on the website so you can download them. But if you're going to print them off, I don't know, you better have a bunch of ink and a bunch of paper. So what do we have? We have, looks like a cable. There's the radio. Looks like the antenna. Battery down there, if I could pinch it. I don't have any fingernails. Okay, there's the black belt clip. And a power wart. And what is that? It looks like an adapter. What is this? Oh, the belt clip. Okay. So anyways, let me get the battery onto the radio and the antenna onto the radio, and I'll be right back. Okay, snugging that antenna down, I forgot to show that there's an O-ring in there. You really gotta put a little effort on it. You can feel the O-ring compressing, but that's probably part of the reason why it's IP7 rated. So anyways, let me get the battery on, I'll be right back. And apparently this plastic here is so thick I can't see the screen. I hate to do this. I hate taking any of these protectors off and having to add another one later on. Where's the power button? Power. Please enter call sign input. Okay, let me figure this out. Be right back. Okay, so it's just a little bit of a long press, AA, and then go to number 1, PR. Every time I had to move forward, I had to push the arrow to move it along. Didn't want to enter it, so I'm not sure how I got it entered. Do I hit menu? I guess I should read the manual, huh? Okay, what I am going to do is I'm going to lift up this port, shut this off. I'm going to insert my micro SD card. It says micro SD. My idea is I just got the FTM200DR, and I want to take that radio file and I want to put it into this radio, so everything in the 200 is exactly the same, or the 500 is exactly as the 200. Hopefully I can do that. The first thing I'm going to have to do is put the card into there, format it, and then open it up on the computer, read to the card, and then import in my other file. Hopefully it all works. Okay, so I got the port opened up, and I got a 32 gigabyte SanDisk ImageMate. I guess it's not going to focus on that, but anyways, let me get that into there. Okay, it's starting up, and it says SD. So apparently that symbol over there is the one that shows that I have an SD card into it. Now to format the card in the menu. Okay, so I got the radio set to format in the memory. Now I'm reading the manual to figure out how to format it. I'll be right back. Okay, I guess I wasn't hitting it hard enough, or I got to push towards the number 4. So it said it's complete. So now I'm going to bring this memory card out of the radio into the computer, into the ADMS software, and see if I can import my radio file from the 200 into the 5. Because I already have 700 memory channels programmed in my FTM200DR. I just don't want to program this all over again. Okay, I'm on my hotspot. I tried the group mode thing, and now it shows me and the 2 other stations that are connected in there. Pretty cool. Now there's 4 of us in there.
Sorry, I missed you at the ham fest.
DG6OAY sent me a G-code file to print off a stand for my Yaesu FT5D with my call sign on it. Thank you, Frank. Isn't that awesome? That's pretty damn cool. Okay, got the FT5 here, talking to Don and Travis. Got the volume about, not quite 3/4, but close enough, and I think their audio is really low on this thing.
Yeah, Mike, in the D-Star world, A is 1.2 gig, B is 440, and C is 2 meters VHF. My D-Star DVAP, digital voice access point.
Oh, Travis is a little bit louder than Don. I don't know if Don's soft-spoken.
On 220, which is still VHF. So I use module C to come in through. And I think the default system fusion is just always Bravo. A little bit more. I'm going to put the pole that I got yesterday, I'm going to try and put that up on the roof because it's 10 foot. So I have to try.
And where I get well, who did you not like on the set that you're going to have that response? What happened to you in Boston? Who hurt you? I got a residual set. But then he goes on to this. I hope it would inspire them to a little better record than 3-1 in the conference final.
Let's hoping there's some way I could manually enter in a frequency. Huh. Be nice if I could. Sitting there, sent a picture of Mount Killington in the autumn. My FT5, in case somebody's out there on the simplex range. There's a loon out there just calling. He's wailing. Whoo, kind of sound. Don't know where he is, but man, you can hear him all the way across the damn lake.